Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export a Slack conversation even if you don't have admin access. It's a simple and quick process, so make sure to follow along till the end. First, head over to the Slack website and log into your account. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your main Slack dashboard. This is your central control hub for everything in Slack. Now, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on your Fixora team name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From there, choose Tools and Settings. In this section, you'll find different options to manage and customize your Slack workspace. Next, click on Workspace Settings. Even without admin privileges, you'll still have access to a few useful features here. Scroll down through the options and look for Import/Export Data. This is the most important part of the process. Click on it to open Slack's data management tools. Here, you'll see the option to export conversations. Select the date range or specific chat you want to download, and then click Start Export. Slack will begin compiling your conversation data and prepare it for download. Once the export is ready, you can save the file and use it whenever you need. And that's it. That's how you can easily export Slack conversations without needing admin access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.